welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are doing a clean with me as well as doing some Valentine's decorating, and I take you along my trip to Target to show you some really cute Valentine's Day decorations and ideas that you may have. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get started. Look how beautiful these florals are. I absolutely love when Target comes out with their spring florals and decorations because I feel like it's just what my spirit loves the most from Target is like the floral section. But I also love that they had so many cool affordable finds for Valentine's Day for your kids, whether that's creating them a little mini basket for Valentine's Day with little toys, or you could do arts and crafts. They had so many good finds. The Mondo Llama brand always has really neat arts and crafts stuff for your kids, as well as it's really affordable. So I really love this brand so much. We always do tons of these things in our home from that brand. But I really needed a new drying rack. So as you guys know, I did my knives and silverware with the bamboo drawer. So I wanted to add a bamboo drying rack just to give it a little oomph. I thought this was really nice. But I also seen that they had this really cute collapsible drying rack, which I thought was really cool if you live in a small space. We just moved from a very small space, so I probably would have gotten that one. But I'm blown away. This drying pad is so big, you guys. I was shocked when I unraveled it to wash it how big it was. But I want to share with you guys some of the bamboo stuff they had and some things that I found when I was looking at this area for organization or just for your kitchen. Heading over to the kids' bath section, I absolutely love this aisle. I always go down it every time I go to a Target just to see if there's anything new, anything, festive for the holiday. I always come down this aisle. It's just always so cute. I wanted to share with you guys these vanity organizers. I think they're so rad. I want to buy one, but I'm afraid that it'll just fill up with so much stuff that it'll look cluttered, so I haven't yet. But I wanted to share because if you guys are looking for something like this, they have them at Target and they're really cool. Moving on to the toy organization, I seen these new wire lid baskets. They were so cool. If they were like $20, I probably would have bought one, but they were $40, which is kind of expensive in my opinion, but this is so cute. I love that it has a lid. I love that. I want to find a toy organizer that has a lid because the organization that I've done in the room is just not working out. The kids throw the bins everywhere. So maybe I could find something more with a lid. But moving back onto Valentine's Day, I love going to the Valentine's Day book section. We have the Old Lady Who Swallowed a Rose book. So that's our Valentine's Day book. But I thought this pop-up book was just the cutest thing. I love these books. They're so cute for the kids. And if you're looking for seasonal Valentine's Day books, Target has them and they are so adorable. I just gotta say, if you're a Target employee, you go girl or guy, because it must have taken so much work to get this done right after Christmas. But I wanted to share these cute stuffies. We are such a Squishmallow family here. We love all the Squishmallows. We love all the little characters, and I just thought they're so cute. Look how cute this floral front door mat is. I wanted this so bad, but I didn't buy it, but I wanted it. It's so cute. Look at this, how pretty. The other ones were all gone, so I'm really curious to see what was there, you know? But yeah, I just thought those were really cute. And when I first walked in, this is some from the playground, the Bullseye playground area. They had some pillows, some florals, some cute little knick-knack decor, which I thought is always really cute. It's pretty much gone when we came in, all the stuff that they did have out. This was a really busy morning. There were so many people, but if you can get in your Target when they are fully stocked, you're so lucky, because ours always gets emptied so quick. But I thought these little wreaths were so cute, or door hangers, so awesome, so beautiful, so seasonal. I love these. These are so cute. I love all the pillows. I can never have enough pillows, you guys. And then you can always reuse them if you just buy a pillow cover off of Amazon. So if you're on the fence, just think, hey, I could just put the pillow cover over this. But I love the one with the tassels. Isn't that adorable? So cute. I love that they had some florals too. They had floral pillows, which was really nice. And here's the floral wreaths. Aren't these so cute? I love all the greenery. Makes my heart happy. And look at these dish towels, aprons, everything for your kitchen. A lot of the stuff was sold out and ransacked, but I still wanted to share it because it was so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, it was so hard not to buy these. Look how adorable these are. The peanut butter jelly, and then there was a cracker and cheese and a little bacon and egg. How adorable are these? Okay, now that the shopping is over, we are headed home. We are doing some laundry, and we are going to get some cleaning motivation in today's video. I am always having to do laundry, as you guys know, but I have my two little helpers here, and I like to organize. I got this 3-tire organizer from Walmart, and it really helps me organizing the clothes as I do laundry. I've also been using vinegar, you guys, and let me tell you, it is amazing. Try vinegar in your loads. It really does work amazing. It makes your clothes smell so good. It doesn't smell like vinegar, and it's awesome. I'm blown away. But look at this pile. Oh my gosh. We got a lot of laundry to do. So if you have some laundry, you are not alone. I am right there with you.
Reach out to the sky. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
I go back and forth. Do you guys do a karate chop, or do you like your pillows square? I can't decide, but this is how my couch turned out. I have this little cute squish strawberry pillow that I added, and I wanted to share this cute floral basket that I got a couple years ago from Target. It is so adorable, and look at this Dollar Tree find. It's a hugs, kisses, and Valentine's wishes sign that I found from Dollar Tree. It has been raining non-stop where we live in California, so I put on a nice little roast. So that's cooking as I'm cleaning and just getting all the cozy vibes. I'm going to be unloading my dishwasher, loading my dishwasher, and just giving you that cleaning motivation that I know you need, that I need, that we all need. So hang in there if you're having a hard time. If you're a stay-at-home mom or a working mom, it is so hard just being mom. We have supersonic powers, but sometimes we forget about ourselves. So don't forget about yourself. Do something for you.
'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way.
Where have you been? It's like I waited all my life, so happy that I found you. I'm paper thin. I haven't always been this shy, but haven't felt this in a while now. So sad when we are apart. If you leave, you break my heart. I need you to need me too. Stay with me when it's getting dark. Hold me tight, close in your arms. I want you to want me too. Why is it so hard to just be honest? Why is it so hard to...
Next, I'm going to be vacuuming and cleaning up the living room, giving it just a surface clean. I have so much to vacuum all the time, but I just wanted to give you some vacuuming and floor motivation. We recently got some new faucet sinks in, and the girls had taken the little fuzzies out of the box, and so the styrofoam was going everywhere. But you'll see that in a home update video soon, or just, you know, something to add to the home video. So I'm redoing the bathrooms and I'm really excited about it. It's renter friendly, so definitely something you can apply to your home. But look how cute this Dollar Tree find is. It's a little sign, and I'm gonna hang it right here on my door.
See the light, I give myself to you. I want to get this right. Haven't felt this in a while now. So sad when we are apart. If you leave, you break my heart. I need you to need me too. Stay with me when it's getting dark. Hold me tight, close.
I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and just gave you ideas as well as cleaning motivation and things like that. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys soon in a new video. Bye!
It's so hard to speak the truth.